Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Wednesday. Wrong chart pulled up right now. Why does it do that? Why does it pull up the wrong chart? I don't know. Well, what's good? What's popping? We're back. We're doing it. We're live. It's Wednesday morning here. The NASDAQ making a big move last night and currently up at the highs up here at the 44s. The dollar going straight up right now. The NASDAQ kind of chopping around here at the 40s. We got a pivot point to look at here. Pivot point down here on this chart. There we go. Pivot point now. You can see that. So we are getting it started, getting it ready. And we'll see what plays out today. Like always, just being patient and waiting for the right opportunities. So right now, looking to see what happens with these pivot points. Got a pivot point to the downside down there at the 97s. Obviously, the big gap up today from the overnight. So we're thinking about that. Possible gap fill. Always a possibility those gaps love to get filled. So we'll see how that plays out if it does play out that way. So let's be patient and sit back and wait and watch. NASDAQ kind of holding up here at the 40s for now. Little double bottom. Right there at the right there at the 14 EMA, right there at the pivot point there as well. So I think if we get back above the 50s, probably start pushing back up here now. Trying to push above the 50s right there, actually. Okay. Through the 51s now. Nice little rebound back up here now. 54s. A little bit of a trap down there below the 40s. And pushing back up there now. 54s already. So good morning. What's good? We're doing it. We're live. It's time to party, baby. Right there, the NASDAQ back above the 50s, kind of consolidating here. A little bit of a trap, a little bit of a double bottom, kind of set up there at the 40. We held that kind of low there and pushed right back up. So interesting move here so far. We'll see how much legs we have in the market today. We had numbers come out at 8:30. Right now, the NASDAQ on a tear back up. The dollar pulling back here. So we'll see if there's going to be potential today for more action to the upside, if we're going down, up, all around, my friends. Right now, the highs so far today up there at the 73s. It's currently 9:04 here in the morning. It's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. And right now, the NASDAQ up there to the 54, 55s again. So let's see how this plays out today. I actually had a trade. I put a trade on last night. I got stopped out, thinking that I was looking for like a 100-point move to the upside. Got stopped out for max loss on an XFA. And then literally a minute late, like 5 minutes after that happens, the market did exactly what I thought it would do and went up 100 points. So, well, it took it like 6 hours overnight, but a little painful. That would have been about a $30,000 trade. But gotta love it sometimes. You gotta love trading. You gotta love it. It's fun like that. Trading is a very fun thing sometimes. You're like, you know, I was right there. It was like, if the market just wouldn't have went down, like if it would have just bounced out, like 5 points before it went to, I wouldn't have got stopped out, and I'd be rich right now. I'd be up $30,000. But instead, it didn't do that, did it? It didn't do what I wanted to do, Patrick. Why? Why me, you know? Why can't it just do what I want it to do every time? I would just really enjoy that, you know? Would just like for it to happen that way. So the NASDAQ back up here above the 50s, bouncing off that 41 area, right up there to the 58, 59s now. The dollar pulling back strong. We'll see if this is going to want to go right through the 60s here next. Oh, man. Pushing up there to the 60s strong. I said that. Bounce back above the 50s, probably get us moving there. And look at us now. We're moving. We're shaking, we're baking. The ES and the NASDAQ both on a tear after pushing up there after 9 o'clock. I don't know if it's something happened here at 9 o'clock or not, but it looks like the market wanted to go higher there, didn't it? Up there to 61s currently. I didn't even have a tight stop on the NASDAQ. I just had 15 contracts, so I used the max loss on the XFA. I'll show you the entry here. Talk about painful. I mean, obviously, coulda, shoulda, woulda, but painful either way this morning. So I woke up this morning and I saw the market was up 100 points, and I was like, I'm rich. I'm fucking rich. And I literally, I'm fucking butt-ass naked. I get out of bed. I run to my office, and I'm like, you know, I'm a little excited because I'm thinking that I'm up fucking $30,000. But instead, I got stopped out at the low. Fuck me, you know? Just fuck me. I'll show you guys the trade here. Where is it? Synchronizing trades. So I went long last night here. Waiting for this to sync. There's my entry. So you can see my entry right there. We got back above the 14 EMA. I got long right there at the 71s. 15 contracts in the XFA right there. 72 entry, right? And then look at this thing. It kind of just went sideways. I was still in it, and then I got stopped out at 62. The low from the overnight was 50 fucking 6. The low was 50 fucking 6, boys. 50 fucking 6. How's that? I don't even. The low is 56. There's a max loss of $3,000. And then look at that. Look at the low. The low is right there at the 58s. Bang, bang, bang. 50, 56. And then look. I mean, you gotta laugh. I mean, that's a $30,000 profit right there. That's a $30,000 profit. Fuck me, man. And if anyone says like, oh, you wouldn't have held, like I would have held because I woke up this morning at 8 o'clock and I'm like, oh, I'm fucking rich. I looked at my phone and saw the NASDAQ was up to the 60s. And yeah, so that would have been a $30,000 fucking trade. You can see here on the 15-minute chart, my entry there, getting stopped out 62s, the market bouncing off the 57s, and then running 100 points. I thought you can't hold overnight. Yes, you can hold overnight. Yeah, if I'd had a $4,500 stop on the account, that would have probably saved me. It would have been close. 62, I got stopped there. I mean, honestly, if I would have just had 10 contracts instead of 15 contracts, it still would have been like a $20,000 trade, but I was greedy and I was like, I just thought this thing was going to rip last night, which it ended up doing, but it took fucking, if it would have just fucking, like, if this would have been the low right here at 65, I would have been good. If 65 would have been the fucking low, I would be up 30 grand right now. But it wasn't. So you can trade overnight. I don't know why people are so, why are y'all so silly? Guys, you need to once the market closes, after 6 p.m., you can trade. After 6 p.m., you can trade. Everybody in the chat's like freaking out about the overnight thing. You can trade overnight. Yes. After 6 p.m., it's a new day. So basically, you just got to be flat by 4:10, and then you got 2 hours. Basically, the market resets, kind of the overnight futures reset, and then the market goes fucking then at 6 p.m. Gosh. People in the chat, but Patrick, you can't hold overnight. Patrick, how did you? I got long last night here. This was at like midnight. I got long at midnight last night. Put a single on overnight. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to fucking make $1,000. I want to make $30,000 fucking dollars. People, I mean, I get it. That's the thing, you know. If you want to make $30,000, what do you got to fucking. You got to put on big size, and I got stopped out. It's part of the game, you know. The great thing is, at least we were on the right side of the move. So, we had the right idea. Just I kind of had a feeling. I was like, man, I didn't love exactly where we were at that point. I was thinking we might, kind of get a little choppy, maybe get below kind of this 60 level. But I went to sleep and I was like, fuck it. We'll wake up. We'll be rich. So it is what it is. Oh, man. All right. So, getting ready here. Market open in 18 minutes. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Dun 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 dun. The only thing that I hate about having the live account now with Topstep, the live account versus the XFAs, is you have to sign into a different account on Quantower. You can't have both of the accounts signed in at the same time. It's kind of annoying. So, ideas don't pay the bills. Yeah, well, what do you want me to do? I can't go back in time now. I fucking took a trade. I got stopped out. Like, it is what it fucking is. Welcome to trading, my friends. Someone said, I've never had an unattended trade work to my advantage. I have. I've had plenty of trades. I've traded smaller. Like, I've had 5 lot trades where I've made $6,000, $8,000 overnight, putting a trade on with the idea that the market is going to go up or down, vice versa. So I was like, fuck it. We'll put 15 contracts on. It is what it is. 30 grand or fucking it is. So. Will you be trading in a combine today? No. Why do people ask me that? I'm not trading in a combine. Trading in a live account. Live funded Topstep account. You guys can literally see yesterday Topstep posted. Topstep posted yesterday, literally on the Topstep TV, my P&L, my real P&L. So anybody that's like, oh, he's trading into combine. Well, it literally says yesterday on Topstep TV, I think I was number 4 with top profits. Top profits. Top profits. You can see right here. Yesterday, I was number 4. From yesterday's best on Topstep TV, posted that up. So this was, David beat me out. I mean, I wasn't far. Kyle was close. I was right there. Tristan, we were right there. We were battling that $8,000. This is from Monday. So you can see I am trading a live account. Topstep is literally posting it. Yesterday's best. This is the best profits of Monday for the whole entire company at Topstep. So Patrick Wieland on the board, baby. Put me on the board. Put me on the board, baby. Right now, the market pulling back here. We're at the pivot point here. All right. Dollar pushing back up. We had a little push up there through the 60s, and now we're chopping back down here. We're going to have to see what happens here at open, like always. But right now, we're getting ready. We're going. It's live. Whoa, party. Party. All right. If we get 500 likes here on the stream, we will do the poll here. Help me out. Blow up the like button. Can't see the likes. Don't worry. It's coming. It's coming. When I hear myself on YouTube, it's kind of funny, actually. I'm posting this up on Twitter real quick. Gotta let the world know. Let the world know we're live on the tube. Went out fishing yesterday. Was kind of a slow day, but ended up getting a sailfish. We got 2 sailfish a day before. So I'm up 3 sailfish this week, baby. 3 sailfish so far this week. we're making money. We're up on the week. We're three sailfish deep right now. I got a big tournament on Friday, or on Saturday. Sorry, on Saturday. So we are getting ready for the tournament, and the goal of the tournament is to see who can catch the most sailfish. We'll have about 6 guys. Got a team of guys. Got a captain. Got a couple guys. Actually hired a full-time captain now. I got a mate. We're doing shit serious here around here. Got a full-on, it's like an NBA team, baby. And what's the payout? It could be, the payout could literally be $100,000 to $200,000. Just depends on how many people enter the tournament. Some of the tournaments have $1 million prizes, so there's a lot of money at stake. It's pretty serious business. Pretty serious business, baby. Right now, looking here at the hourly chart, I think we're looking a little overextended here. I wouldn't be mad about maybe pulling back here into maybe that 16,100, 80 area. Obviously, we're opening up with a bit of a gap from yesterday. We closed yesterday. Where did we close at yesterday? We closed here at like 44. So a bit of a gap in the chart. And we'll see how this plays out here today. All right, all right. If we go to the 15-minute chart, you can see the pivot points to look at today. We got pivot points here, pivot point there at the 47, pivot point down there at the 98. So 98 pivot point. We got the 14 EMA. What's up with my tournament with the ICT? It's not really a tournament. It's just me betting that he won't win. So it's not really a challenge either. It's just a bet. People are like, it's not like I'm not even challenging him to trading. I'm just betting that he can't win the Robbins Cup. So, how much is the fish? You don't really keep them. We don't keep sailfish. We catch and release. It's a sport fish, basically. We're sport fishing, baby. It's a sport, motorboat. You got weights in fish. No, you don't weigh them. You just catch and release. Doesn't matter how big they are. You just all that matters is that you catch them and you release them. So right now the Nasdaq sitting here at this pivot point, that 147 area. We bounced off there earlier. We kind of consolidated there. We pushed up here to the 160s. The high so far, that 170 level. If you look all the way up there, you got 220. If you look at the daily chart here, in terms of resistance, we had that kind of breakout from yesterday. Big breakout candle, but a big move up over here overnight. So big breakout, bullish breakout here. You know, we had that bull flag on the daily chart. We break out there overnight, and from the 64s all the way up there to the high. That high from Wednesday of last week was 173. The high today, guess what? Guess what the high was? Anybody know? 173. 173 last Wednesday, 173 this Wednesday. Is it a coincidence? I think not. I think not. So, yeah, that was 173.50 last Wednesday. Today was 173.25. So, the double top right here so far on this breakout. We'll see. I would like to see a little bit of a pullback, you know, maybe pull back kind of that 100 area, 98, maybe pull back into those area, that breakout kind of like 88 level would be nice to get a retest. And then we get that move higher. So we'll see how it plays out today. How do you prove that you caught the sailfish? You have GoPros. You basically have to film it. You got to film it, and then later on you turn the footage in to the committee, to the tournament. Very technologically advanced around here. Yeah, I'll post a video up. I'll make a video probably after the tournament, some of the fishing that we do. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I post up some videos on there. Yesterday, catching a sailfish. Yesterday, off pretty much like West Palm. We went all the way up to West Palm. We fished in Miami on Monday. We fished in Miami, and then yesterday we fished up in West Palm. So, all right, let's do the poll. Are we going up? Are we going down today? What do you guys think? Get 500 likes here on the stream. Let's blow it up. Yeah, they've been talking about doing a Miami stock exchange. That's what they've been talking about. Been talking about that for a while, actually. So, not really sure why you would need that, but we'll see. Right now, the poll is 56% up, 44% down. Who's going to win? Who's going to lose? We're going to find out. I got to grab my headphones real quick. BRB. Damn it. I always forget to charge my headphones. I got too many things to worry about. I got to charge my phone. Got to charge my head. Yeah, it's terrible. All right, so the poll right now, 55% up, 45% down. All right, all right. Sherry O'Connor, cannot see the top of your screen to see what you're trading. Well, we only trade the NASDAQ here in Q, so that's all you have to worry about, my friend. The dollar dumping, the NASDAQ back up above the 50s here through the pivot point. We got 7 minutes here till market open. 55% say we're going to go up. 44% say we're going to go down. The poll is unanimous. Who will win today? I think it's pretty cut and dry to see kind of what the plan is here for open. We're basically watching here this level, I would say pretty much, right there. If we can't hold this level at open, I'd love to get it tested. Maybe get a little trap there and then rip up there would be nice. A little whip, whip, little whip, 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 little whip, 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 whip. You know what I mean? Little whip, little whip, 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 whip. You know what I mean? You know what I mean though? Y'all got does the sound make you understand what I'm putting down? Little whip, 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 whip. Oh my gosh. Like just like that. Just dropped 10 points right there. Wow. That was a weird one. No, I want that $20,000 day. I would have had a $30,000 profit day if I would have just fucking not got stopped out. Right now I'm up $2,500. We'll see what happens here at open. Can I show the whip on the ES? The ES is more like woof, woof. The NASDAQ's more like whip. You know what I mean? I think the ES is way more like, it's more slow, takes more time. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, something like that. So there's the ES, both the NASDAQ, the ES. Of the ES, that 84 level right now, kind of holding up there. They're chopping it basically around here right now. We had a big move overnight, so expecting, normally we get a big move overnight. We get some choppy action here at open. We'll see. We had a pretty much 100-point move overnight. So those numbers came out this morning. We had a high of 173, which was also the high of last Wednesday. So today, Wednesday, last Wednesday, what the fuck is the chance of that? It's like it's like Inception. Ugh. Deja vu or something like that. And look at that little trap right now. I would have liked to seen this trap at open, not 5 minutes before the market opened. We still got 2 minutes, 4 minutes till the market moves. We'll see how she goes. Dollar selling off. NASDAQ pushing back up here. 52s. That pivot point is obviously going to be a key level. We got the VWAP right now. The VWAP's all the way down there at 16,108. Look at the NASDAQ back up here now. Oh. 55, 54s there on the chart right now. I am not in a trade currently. No trade currently. I'm waiting for market to open here in 3 minutes. If you guys haven't hit that like button, you know what to do. Hey. We had that little bit of a high here earlier, 61s, and then that high after the numbers came out at 73. So we are basically kind of pushing up right now, straight back up. Look at that. That was a nice little trap there below that. We had that. It just like dropped. Somebody must have liquidated or something because it dropped like 10 points and went right back up there in a split second. I don't think we have any news today, right? No important news. I don't see any news today. What do we got? Let me look one more time. Economic calendar. We had most of the news this morning at 8:30. Yeah, the only news today really is oil inventory news at 10:30, which we don't really care about. And yeah, there's nothing else really on the docket today. There's a couple of Fed members. There's a Fed member speaking on later on today. Bank of England Governor Bailey is speaking in 36 minutes. So, and then a beige book at 2 o'clock there. So we'll see. Right now, the market just kind of going sideways into open. Nothing really convincing so far. We're doing it. We're live. You guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. Look at this. Back, down, now up, down, all around. Sideways it is, my friends. I forgot to put the sideways option. Hi, Pat. Are you already in? No, I'm not already in. Fed speaker at 10. I don't see the Fed speaker at 10. Where do you see that? I don't see him. I don't see the news about Fed speaker at 10. I don't know. I'm actually, for 2023, I want to build 2024. I want to build a better. News website. That's my goal for 2024. I want a better website with important news for people every morning to check. So, one of my goals for next year is to build out a better information website for futures trading. Holy fuck. I saw a video on Twitter of a guy of two helicopters colliding. The fuck? That's scary. Twitter is wild. You can literally watch videos of people dying on Twitter right now. There's like legit just videos of people dying on Twitter. There's no filter. Twitter has no filter anymore. Here we go. 10 seconds. Count it down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Place your bets. Market is now open for business. Holding right there at the 40s for now. The dollar selling down. The NASDAQ back up through the 55, 56s. Straight up here currently. Let's see what happens. A little bit of a trappy action here currently. A little trappy. They really need to hold kind of this 50 level to get that squeeze straight up. Through the 60s would be nice and go straight there to the 70s possibly. Looking good. Possibly get through the 60s here. We got that 70 area to blow through, but right now there's a lot of resistance there. 61s, we got stuck again. So dollar's going straight down. NASDAQ, the ES, trying to push up here. Chop, chop, chop. Up there to the 60s. There we go. I think we got to take out that high from earlier, right? I mean, that would just make sense to take out that 70 high there. Run that 70 area strong. Just to take out the shorts that are sitting up there. You know they're sitting up there. They're being silly. You know they're being silly. They're up there. Just like do. People got their stop losses sitting there at the highs for sure. The ES still has not ran the highs here. The NASDAQ up there to a high so far of 72. Got denied right there. All right, all right. The dollar selling straight off here. I think we blow through this 70 level. I don't know. I got a feeling. There's a feeling. I might be wrong, but something just looks like we got to blow through it just to take it out, and then maybe we dump. We blow through the high there at the 73s, squeeze out those shorts, and then we could possibly start dumping down. The ES trying to make a new high here. If the ES makes a new high, I don't see how the NASDAQ doesn't blow through 73s. You know? Like, if I was a betting man, I'd say, hey, there's no way we don't go through the fucking highs here. What do you think? Go straight up through 75 to the 80s quickly. Testing that 71s. 72. Got to blow through it. There we go. We're blowing through it, boys and girls. Up there to the 75s. Can we go to the 80s next? How is he so good? How did I know? How did he know? Sometimes. Look at this. It's too easy. It's too easy. You know it's going to happen. Fucking put it on the board, baby. You give me a fucking double top like that at the market open and we're squeezing, you know the market's gonna fucking have to run that stop, right? Like, you just know it's gotta fucking happen because the market's gotta go fucking, it's gotta blow up the shorts. It's gotta fucking run stops, baby. It's gotta run them. You know, up there to the 85s now, running those stops, baby. Fucking rocket science. We are pretty much rocket scientist. If you think about it, we're trading this fucking rocket of a move right here. Up there to the 85s now. We had to run that stop. Now we wonder, do we keep going higher? Do we pull back here after running those stops, stopped out the shorts? And then the ES still showing strength. The ES, the dollar, everything's still looking good here for now. I think we've got a little bit more possibly to go to get through like 85 to the 90s up there. Got to get through 85 strong. Still holding here at the 80s. Just be careful. I don't want to be getting long up here, but I do want to be holding to see if we can get through the 85s for now. The NASDAQ, the ES at the highs here. Trying to push. Just got to go. Billy, go. At the 82s. Dollar looking weak. Can we get one more pop? Still holding here very tight at the 80s. As long as we can hold that 80 level, I think we'll pop through the 85s. 82, 83s. Trying to go, go. Look how tight this thing's getting there. 85s. Popping it, baby. Let's fucking go! Are you not impressed? Are you not impressed? Straight up there. Through the 85s, to the 90s now. We're off the charts, baby. Let's go. All right, all right. I'm locking in my whole position up there at the 80. Got filled 87s for now. I'm going to take it right there. I think there's still, like I said, still some room to run, but don't need to do anything crazy here. If you guys are wondering about the indicator that's on the chart right here, this is my Lux Algo Patrick Wieland indicator that we're going to release very soon. Right there, the Lux Algo Wieland trend lines and liquidity. Who else on YouTube has their own fucking indicator? The number one trading indicator company in the world made my own indicator. Patrick Wieland, fucking put it on the board, baby. And you can see our signal to get long right there at open when we broke out of this trend. We had the bounce off the pivot. Look at this thing, straight up still, 98s, 97s, still going. It's going to be a free indicator, by the way. There she goes. Can't stop, won't stop. The NASDAQ's through the moon. Through the fucking moon here, boys and girls. She's through it. That 200 level up there next. We got a pivot point all the way up there at the 220s. Do we go all the way to that pivot point? Is that possible? What do you think? Just fucking 20 more points to the pivot. The dollar dumping right now. So the NASDAQ, the ES, both just going straight up here. Oh, man, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I like that easy money, baby. I like that easy money. Up there are the 200s now. Let's see what happens here. Both the ES and NASDAQ running into a little bit of trouble up there now. So we are, you know, a little overextended. That for something to see what happens here if we're going to run through this high now, the 200s. The dollar kind of finding some support down there, so we might get a pullback here. Be careful. Unless we just go straight through. Like, we basically don't want a deeper... We don't want to pull back below 90, that's for sure. You want to keep this going straight up for now. Any type of weakness is going to be easy for the bears to jump in there. There we go. Through the 200s now. Up there to the 05s. Let's go. Looking to see if we can get this all the way through the 05s. Just basically looking for some more profit here. More profit, more profit. And there we go. Up to the 06s, 07s. I'm going to lock it in right there. I don't want to be greedy here. I want to go fishing is what I want to do. So
combine last week. He's already getting his first payout. Nice job, Tash.
Hold on. Successful in the combine last week. Already getting your payout. Who's this? Jitesh?
Jitesh K. Yes.
Jitesh, tell us. You type in there how that little, quick journey.
He said on the 20th, I announced his name for passing the combine.
So there, I took profit perfectly there at the 07s. So happy with that for now. And
so that means you got 5 winning days of 200. You're up over.
We'll see what happens.
I'm very curious on what you took out, but you don't have to say it. Because we like traders to say their own. But yeah, awesome.
Great job. Love hearing that. Love every minute of that.
Funded trader, trading well, got funded. I don't know. Hey, Jess, can you say what got you to that funded level too? I mean, it's like, I don't know. You just did a payout. You just had a runner, and you're trading well. So
the ES and NASDAQ still trying to hold up here, but looking a little top heavy. We had a fucking, 60, 40, 50 point move out of the open, so nothing wrong with knowing when to hold them and when to fold them. I think right now is a good time to kind of be patient.
got in at the open and got out for a boom. Easy money. Easy money, man. I love it. He's got it. Johnny, still got that long?
Yeah, we're still in it.
When I got funded, it will be because of Topstep TV.
Right now, just pulling back here. We got that 14 EMA down there. 14 EMA. This is kind of what I did not want to see happen. Not this much of a pullback for now. But very fine. Very fine for now. Nice, had that pop up there above the 200s, took the profit, and now we're pulling back here in the 84s. So happy with that. So I want to be careful on this pullback, not just buying the first candle to make a new high, just because, you know, I kind of like to see more consolidation out of this, but this could still, you know, start to rip back up here, but I do like to see a little bit more consolidation than just, you know. They're trying to push it. If it gets back above 200, should be clear for more to the upside. Dollar still selling, so watching this 200 level here. The 16,200 area needs to just get blown out. You want to see a big squeeze right through there. The ES not looking so hot right now. The NASDAQ having trouble below the 200s, so really want to get that straight through the 200s strong. If not, I think we pull back here more. So, like I said, I don't love, you know, going crazy. I don't love going crazy on these types of breakouts where we don't have a ton of consolidation at that level. But anything's possible here. Be looking, maybe if we get through 200 strong, that could be a nice, we get this through the 200s, and then we push up there to that pivot point, the 225s. FA, why don't you show your trades? Because I'm not actually trading. I don't make money. I'm just pretending, okay? I don't want you to see the pretend. I'm like the Wizard of Oz. Still holding up here at the 90s for now. Right there at the 14 EMA. I'm currently flat. Does being a ginger help you? Yes, definitely. Helps me in all ways. Will we squeeze through here? I'm going to take it long right here to see if we can squeeze straight up there. Stop right here, 87. So tight stop. We're either going to squeeze or we're going to pull back here. We need to go straight through the 200s. Mm. 97s. I want to see you straight up here. Thinking about maybe killing it. Now we're not pushing right through there. Giving it a moment here. I'm going to move my stop up just a little tighter. 91s now. Only risking 3 points. We're either going to go or we're going to get stuck here below 200 again. Need that dollar to sell. $97, $97, $97s. I think she wants to pop it. I want to see something happen like right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now. Don't get denied at the 200s again. I'm going to take it off right there. I don't like getting denied up there at the 200s. We should have blown right through the 200s. Just lock in $1,500 there. Easy. Easy. So I think I'm going to be done for the day. I hear some company here. So we're going to go out fishing, catch some fish, and easy peasy. 15 minutes of trading, up over $5,000. There's the push up there to the 200s. I think she still maybe wants to go, maybe doesn't. So 200's on the book right now. 200 trying to get through there. There she goes through the 200s now. For people out there, you never show your trades, Patrick. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. So you can see here right now up $5,000 on the day here in this live funded account with Topstep. You can see my balance and all that fun stuff. So $5,000 on the day. Market's still pushing up there through the 200s now. Now she's going to fucking rip. Now she's going to rip. So there we go. 15 minutes of trading. Look at it. Fuck me. Through the highs now. So let's go. For anybody that got long there through that break through the 200s, congratulations. It needs to go. Like, you don't want this thing getting stuck there for a double top. So I trade 15 contracts. Always 15 contracts. So I'm out of here. Fuck it. Time to go fishing. Time to go enjoy life. Make $5,000 in 15 minutes. And then walk the fuck away, boys. Let's go. The best part is I left a lot of money on the table too. I feel like at that open move, I ended up taking profit too early, obviously, and it went up like another 20, 30 points. So it is what it is. I should have had a $30,000 winner overnight. Fucking got stopped out at the goddamn low, and then the market went up 100 points. So there it is. 15 contracts, baby. Bang, 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 bang. On the NASDAQ, always. We ain't fucking here to make $100. We're not here to make $1,000. We're here to make money, boys and girls. I got bills to pay. I got people to feed. So I'm done. I'm walking away. I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow morning, maybe not. Who the fuck knows? I do what I want, when I want, how I want. And that's how I live my life. So there it is. Peace to the Middle East. Enjoy your day. And talk to y'all on the flip side. Peace.